Hey guys, my name is Mar Perez. I am project manager here at Verve Coffee Roasters, and today we're going to be making the Nite Cap in honor of National Sleep Month. So, what this drink consists of is Clevr's Sleeptime SuperLatte, the Vancouver Decaf blend, and we're going to be making this drink on the Spinn machine. So I'm really excited for you guys to try this. It's nice, warm, cozy, helps you fall asleep faster, and helps you stay asleep longer. So let's make this drink. First, we're gonna start with Clevr's Sleeptime SuperLatte. We're gonna grab a tablespoon of this and place it into the frother. Then we're gonna add your sweetener of choice. If you wanna add a little sweetener, we're gonna use simple syrup, but you can do agave, you can do maple syrup, or you can drink it without any sweetener at all. And then we're gonna add our milk. We're gonna do oat milk in this case, but you can use any milk of your choice. And next, it's gonna be as simple as, we're gonna make a shot of espresso, and then we're gonna hit the spin button here, and that's gonna start brewing. And then we're gonna start frothing our milk by just pressing the spin button. All right, guys, our shot is pulled. Our milk is nice and hot and frothed. So now all we have left to do is to combine them. Nice and frothy. Perfect. And there you guys have it. There's a Nite Cap. Let's give it a little taste. That's amazing. Yeah. If you guys want to try this drink at home today, please head over to the Spinn Marketplace and get our bundle. That includes Clevr's Sleeptime SuperLatte and Verve's Vancouver Decaf.